Dear students, earlier you have studied about wired type of internet connectivity. Now we will study about wireless type of internet connectivity. Wireless internet connection uses radio frequencies or microwave signals to transmit data between network devices. Wireless connectivity uses 3G, WiMAX and Wi-Fi. First of all, we will study about 3G. 3G, short for third generation, is a set of standards used for mobile devices and mobile telecommunication services and networks. A 3G network is a high-speed mobile broadband network that uses third generation of wireless technologies. High-speed downlink packet access is 3G mobile telephony communication protocol that allows a higher data transfer speed and capacity. So 3G is a kind of like Wi-Fi everywhere, means it provides internet access via same radio towers that provide voice service to your mobile phone. If support for 3G is available on your mobile phone, you can subscribe to the 3G connectivity with your ISP in order to get high-speed internet connection on your phone. 3G networks have speed of up to 3.1 Mbps or more. However, it varies due to factors such as location, network traffic, and signal strength. Next is WiMAX. WiMAX stands for Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. It is a wireless communication standard designed to provide mobile broadband connectivity across cities and countries through a variety of devices. Means WiMAX represents fourth generation of wireless internet. Wireless is a long range system covering many kilometers. So it can cover an approximately 30 miles around the WiMAX tower. So it can cover vast distance, that is across cities and countries even, and is typically used where DSL or cable internet access cannot be used. This could be difficulty in laying out cables for home or offices located in remote locations but need access to the internet. WiMAX system has two components, a WiMAX tower and a WiMAX receiver. It can connect directly to the internet by sending a signal from WiMAX tower to a WiMAX enabled computer. In other words, WiMAX turns many small scattered hotspots into one huge wireless hotspot. Next is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a popular technology that allows an electronic device such as computers or mobile phones to exchange data wirelessly over a network, including high-speed internet connections. So Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity, is a wireless network technology that allows users to connect to the internet without any wires or cables. It is something like wireless local area network. Its speed ranges up to 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps. Wi-Fi devices such as personal computers, smartphones, video game console, etc. can connect to a network resource such as internet through a device called the Wireless Access Point WAP. WAP. Wi-Fi is used where cables cannot be run, such as old buildings, outdoor areas, to provide network and internet access. So it allows wireless connection for up to 20 meters. Wi-Fi can also be used where users require mobile connectivity. Wi-Fi connectivity is used in homes and offices, hotels, college and school campus typically for internet access. Shopping malls, coffee shops, resorts mostly offer free or paid Wi-Fi access to the internet for their customers. So Wi-Fi is used for different purposes such as data transmission and wireless communication. So a Wi-Fi connection provides a cheap, faster and more reliable internet access.